Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. Yes, after watching this video, you will be able to read WhatsApp deleted messages on your smartphone. So let's go to the mobile screen. First of all, go to the Play Store and here type in the search bar Notice Save. Tap on it and just tap on install button. And when it installed, click on open button. Tap on next, and tap on allow, and again tap on next. Allow the notification access and tap on it, and tap on allow, and go to back. And tap on allow access to your files and media. Then tap on next, and then in the section over here, tab here and off it again. Then setting up the app. So now you get the message but you don't see it, and you open up your WhatsApp and see, and you will find deleted messages. Well, here is how you see exactly what your friend actually said. Go to the Notice Save application that you downloaded. And click on WhatsApp section. Then you will see little chat window. Tap on it. And write in here that is the deleted messages that you did not see. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you.